Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we are going to set up a Python development environment from scratch. So we will be installing two key tools. The first one is Python, the programming language we will be writing in. And second, PyCharm, which is a powerful and user-friendly IDE or integrated development environment, which makes writing and managing Python code much easier. To install the Python in your Windows laptop, go to the python.org website and download the Python installation file. So once the file got downloaded, open the folder and just double click the setup file. So that will open the installation dialog. So in this dialog, just ensure that add python.exe to path checkbox and then click the install now button, and then the installation will start. And once installation is completed, setup will you'll get a page prompt setup was successful, and then you can close it. Uh, to install PyCharm ID on your Windows laptop, just go to the JetBrains official website. The link is given in the description. Just click the link, and this page will be opening. Just go to the page and just scroll down to the bottom. You'll find an option called PyCharm Community Edition. Just click the download button, which is for Windows. So once you click the button, it will just start that download. So once a download is complete, the file will be available in your downloads folder. So go to that folder and just double click the installation file. So once you double click the installation file, the installation wizard will open. And just click the next button and click the next button again. And in the installation option page, you can select all the checkboxes based on your choice, but leave just check everything. And once you check everything, then click the next button. So in the next button, you can just click the install button. So you give some it will take some time, so I'm gonna just pause the video and I will come back once the installation completed. Now if you look at the installation is completed and is asking for reboot. You can either reboot now or you can reboot later, and then you can just click the finish button. So that's all the PyCharm installation.